Hello folks, welcome to Canal Channel Jose. Today we're gonna show you or give you an idea how to replace the antenna plastics that break off on these Mercedes-Benz. Today we're gonna be doing the replacement on this 2000 Mercedes-Benz C230, and these plastics that they go on the antennas, they tend to break off because with the weather time goes on. So we're gonna give you an idea how to do this replacement. This is on the roof towards the back, so we're going to be using a Allen wrench number 2 metric. So with that said, we'll give you an idea how to replace it. Okay folks, so we had this screw, Allen wrench screw that held the housing of this plate towards the bottom of the here's a little washer that goes inside, so we got to put that back on there too. So we had take that out. We took a old gasket from the bottom off as well, and this guy, which is a cover for the antenna that goes right in there, it has to come through the back, and we push it through the back so it falls right into that groove, into that housing. So we take the old one out and we put the new one in. Okay folks, so what we did, we took the old one out, which was broken off, and then we took it out, which looks like this, but now we got a new one in there. So what we did is we fed it through the bottom, and as we fed it through the opening, we started pulling and pushing at the same time, and we got him past each groove, and we got him until we touched the housing, the bottom piece. So now that gives it flexibility, so when you take it to a car wash and the machine goes through it, it can move around. So that's the purpose of these grooves, so it can have flexibility. So now that we have put that on, we're gonna put the new gasket on around this. We're gonna present it into the car, and then we're gonna put the Allen wrench in, and we're gonna tighten it down. Okay folks, so now on the screw side, we got this little O-ring that's gonna go right here, so it seals against the plastic, and this little cardboard piece goes right below once it goes through the housing. So we're gonna be putting the O-ring right into the screw first, and then once we fed the screw through there, we'll put the cardboard piece through the bottom, and we'll put the seal, and we'll put it into the car. Okay folks, so we have put our Allen wrench screw in there with the washers and the O-ring in the top, and we have put on our antenna cover plastic and our weather strip around the bottom piece. So now that we're ready to install it, we'll go to the car and put it on. And remember, make sure this gasket is all around well set, so it seals well around, and the O-ring in there. So let's put it on the car. Okay folks, so now what we have to do is we have to guide this antenna right to through this plastic. So we go like this and guide it and sit our antenna cover into it, and now we start tightening our bolt. Make sure your gasket is well seated around. Well folks, as you can see, now the whole antenna has a brand new cover, new gasket around, and we put it back together. Make sure that the gasket seals all the way around, and we use the Allen wrench 2mm to take it off, and easy process. You don't have to take it to a shop, you can do it yourself. Well, folks, this was an idea how to replace or how a replacement of the antenna plastics are done when they break off from a 2000 Mercedes-Benz C230. And remember, all we used it was a 2mm Allen wrench to remove that bolt, the screw. And once we remove it, be careful when you pull in everything apart because it might be stuck in there for some time. So once you remove it, put the new cover for the antenna, the new gasket around it, and then once you start presenting, everything it seals. And remember, it's a 2mm Allen wrench. Once you put it in, be careful when you put it in because it's gonna be a compact, so you want to feed the antenna through the plastic. So if you like this video, give us thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here in el canal de Chano Jose.